In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows upgrade error 0x8007007f. The first thing that we could do here is just check if there are any updates on your drivers. How to do that? So go ahead and go to Windows search and just type in Windows Update. Go to Windows Update settings. Here, locate the view all optional updates and just expand the driver update section. Put a checkbox to the software or driver that you want to install. Just hit on download install and try restarting a PC and check if that solves your issue. So another thing that we could do here is when you run your installer, make sure to run it as administrator. So let's say this is your installer here. Just right click on it and just hit on run as administrator. The next solution that we could do here is to fix corrupted system files. So how do you actually do this? So go ahead and go to your Windows search again and just type in command prompt. Here, just right click and just run as administrator first. Wait for it to pop up. So here, the first thing they want to do is do a scan. So just type in sfc space scan now. Wait for this to complete scanning. So if you see any errors, you could try running the following commands here on my screen, on my notepad. So you could just pause this video uh, once you see any errors on this command prompt and enter any of this. Actually, you could enter all of this in your uh, command prompt. So the final and last solution that we could do here is to uninstall third-party security software. So if you're not aware, there's a default Windows antivirus software that we could use. So that's Windows Defender. So you can check our other videos how to use that. But for you to uninstall the third-party security software is you could go ahead and go to your Windows and just type in uninstall, and you should be able to see the add or remove programs settings. So go ahead and find the third-party software that you are using as a security software and just uninstall it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.